Last night I told myself that I'm going to try and wake up in the morning at like 7:30, 8:30. This is me waking up at 10:30. I'm not saying 10:30 is bad, but I'm just like, you know what, tomorrow I'll try my best to wake up earlier because I'm trying to change my routine, especially before school starts, because that's when I really need, you know, to like put in 100 or 120 or whatever number that I'll have to put in for university. But luckily I checked my what's it called, schedule, and I start like at 8:30 some days, 12 o'clock some other days, and so finish at 2 or 4. So it really works, you know, it really works. I haven't gone to the gym for like a month and a half, I'm not even gonna lie. And it's because, like, first of all, I did go to the gym a lot because I was trying to, you know, lose some of the weight that I had gained in russetiden. Russetiden was the time where we did go out with the red dresses, if you guys remember. Oh, I lost a lash. No! But anyway, it's the time where we did go out with the red dresses, if you guys remember. And so it was a lot of drinking, a lot of alcohol, a lot of everything that was there. There was just a lot of it, maybe too much of it, you know. And so I like basically dedicated myself to, you know, trying to live a better life, healthier, going to the gym, trying to eat right and not like fast food all the time. Like I was living off McDonald's and Burger King and stuff like that. So the plan for today, I just woke up from bed, okay? Don't look at me and be like, oh, she looks so tired or sleepy. So the plan for today is I'm gonna need to go to the gym. I want to try my best to go to the gym this morning, you know. Then I'm gonna meet Alex. If you guys remember Alex, my guy friend from the video that we did. I don't remember the title of the video, but I'm gonna put the video up here or here. You guys know the drill. We're gonna go eat or something like that, and then we'll see what the day brings, you know. You never know. But right now I just need to find my gym membership bracelet so I can get in. I did end my membership for the place where I was working out, which is Fresh. So July is the last month for me to work out there. I want to try to like start working out outside, you know, like maybe going for a jog or a run or whatever. And there's a basketball court right here, so I could just go there and do a workout, you know. That's my new goal for this year. Try to work out outside. And I need to speak to Alex also, because I think he works out in a different gym. And I would like to have a gym partner. Like I would like to have someone who I could go to the gym with and be like, okay, we're gonna go work, you know. It's more motivation and it makes you do even more. I love this this set. Like I'm very like, oh my god, I want to have like matching sets for like night wear. I have a lot of that. So I'm just gonna go now and find the gym membership bracelet, wash my face, brush my teeth, and we're gonna go to the gym. Oh, I feel like I forgot to introduce myself. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Megan Albright. For the newcomers, for the old ones, it's nice to see you again, guys. So it's a pleasure.
Yeah. Wait.
Every time I film a video, I feel like when I start brushing my teeth, I lose it on my dress. I was editing a video yesterday and I was like, oh my god, my orange dress.
They claim they want
But anyway, guys, let me just fix the lighting for you guys because you guys deserve it.
I ain't in a teed up, I turn them to vegan.
Why do I have an egghead? It looks like I have an egghead. Like it's just Anyway, what I was gonna say is I got this new toothpaste, Advanced White Charcoal by Colgate, because it says you can get white teeth in 10 days. Listen, I want my teeth to be as white as these walls, okay? Whiter than the white privilege, yeah? I've been using it now for like 2 days. Honestly, I can't lie, I've actually seen a change. And I also need to get better at, don't judge me in the comment section, I didn't grow up doing this. I need to get better at brushing my teeth at night. Because when I grew up, it was only normal to do it in the morning, yeah? Brush your teeth before you go to, you know, whatever you're going to. And at night, yeah, I think maybe our parents tried to make us do it or tell us to do it and stuff like that. But it was never like a routine, you know? So I don't have that inbuilt in me, and I feel like that's why I want to start doing new things. I heard, or I don't know if I read or something like that, it takes 2 weeks to make a habit. So if I can do it for 2 weeks every day, I'll be able to make it a habit.
She sent me the beacon, I beat it and fled. They tell like these niggas won't beat me, they can't. I'm somewhat tucked off, I'm late in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it, I'm jaded, my latest, my greatest.
So, since I'm going to the gym to work out and sweat, I'm gonna come back home to shower. I'm just gonna show you guys some more tricks. Wipe. It's not even a trick, I think a lot of people have done it. But in my country, when I grew up in boarding school, when we used to do it, we used to call it cutting seba. Basically, like, you don't do the whole thing, you just cut, you know, cutting seba. If you do this, or if you've ever done this in your country or at school and it has a specific name for it, tell me in the comment section. But I just don't want to be all sweaty, even though I'm gonna go sweat, basically. That made no sense, but it made sense in my mind. That's the most important thing. Yes, the next thing is sunscreen. I just want it on my face so it doesn't get too dry once I step out of the door. Can't catch me out here being ashy, I'm lacking. Always remember to moisturize.
Yeah, I know it's my
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities and open doors.
Today's workout complete. It's 4 minutes to 1 p.m. I'm gonna go to the store to buy some groceries first before I go home, shower, eat something, and then I can like speak to Alex and see when we're gonna meet and stuff like that. So I hope you guys liked it. It's been a long time since I haven't been to the gym. I'm not gonna lie. How did I open this door? Like that. Thank you. It's so refreshing. It's so refreshing. And I'm so proud of myself for like filming when there's people. I didn't give a fuck. I just put the camera there. I did my thing. And yeah, it went well. It's been such a long time since I haven't been to the shopping mall to buy like food stuff, so it's so weird for me to be here. I finally feel like a human being again. The plan was to get the things that I need, but I think I'll just do like a big shopping for this month now. To stop the song, but I had to run home and shower, get ready, because I spoke to Alex and we decided to eat at 3 o'clock. We're going to this steakhouse, if I remember correctly, place, you know, just a little dress, giving always my slippers on. I don't want to do shoes if I don't have to. Like, if I don't have to wear shoes, I don't want to wear shoes. So I'm going to the table station now. Hey guys, finally Alex, talk. We can't hear you.
What's up?
Oh, he said, what's up? The food looks so good, but you guys look better.
I'm like so ready.
Thank you for the food, Alex. Okay, it's low battery and there's no place to charge the camera here. So if it goes off, it goes off at this point. But you guys should know, I enjoyed the food. I always do. I don't know what they put in this sauce. Is it what's this?
I don't know.
It's great. Oh. Cheers to
Drink up the rest of
this. Yeah, no, right? Oh, it's a big Pepsi, a large Pepsi Max is large. But it's good. I went to Pepe's Pizza the other day and I got a drink. I'm telling you, it was all ice. When there's like too much ice, it's like no drink.
Yeah,
like you give me more ice than the drink. Anyway, I was gonna show you guys the spare ribs before the camera goes off. I love ribs. Okay guys, did you guys have fun today?
I'm so full.
Yeah, me too. I was. So what are you guys gonna do today after this? What are your plans?
You're gonna see if I need to go get back home.
Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on the spot. Do you guys watch my last video?
I did actually today when I did my makeup.
Oh, Queen Alex.
I'm in the process of
What?
I'm moving out, so you know I was cleaning.
Okay, it's true. He was cleaning for like, was it 5 hours or 7 hours? 7 hours. He was like, Megan, I was cleaning for 7 hours. Oh my god, I had to wash the ceiling, the floor, the window, the wall. But he did good. From now on, I'm gonna be putting all my friends on the spot. Yeah. Especially those who are gonna be in the video. I'm like, who's the last time you watched the video? What's my last video?
I watched one
Let me
today,
put you on the
girl.
spot, okay? Megan, what types of drugs have you tried?
The ones that are legal. Cheers to that!
You should ask him when was the last time you listened to my song.
Oh, it was the last time you listened to my song?
When you sent it to me, and it's called So High. Were you high when you did, by the way?
No.
Oh, okay. He was high on Fatima's love. Let's get it correct, okay? These flowers are so beautiful, man. Cooperate. Oh, it's like that. It's fine. I was just gonna. There's a. You want to be in it? It's fine. We went to eat together. Look at Alex doing his sign. Soraya is here. But anyway, I had to charge the camera, and I didn't get to show you guys like more of the food and everything. We just finished eating, went to the store. Fatima is going home soon, but she's gonna come back tomorrow.
Yes,
so
sir.
stay tuned.
I want my boba. So can we please?
We can, yeah. And we're gonna vlog tomorrow again. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing daily vlogs now. So watch the channel every day, guys. I'm doing good. I'm proud of myself today. And I'm so proud of the fact that I didn't give a shit and just filmed vlogs in wherever I wanted to do. I know a lot of people in Oslo, so if you see me in the street, don't hesitate to say hi. I don't bite, if I don't have to. Bye, Fatima. She's gonna watch herself when she watches the video. Okay guys, so Soraya basically said she wanted to get a bubble tea and I was like, me too! It's been a long time since I haven't gotten it. What do you think? Since I haven't gotten it? Is that even good English? I don't think so. What do you guys think about my outfit today? Yeah? Little Red Riding Hood, but she rides that. You know what she rides? She rides something else. Thank you. Imam is behind the camera, filming now. He's doing his thing. Shout out to Imam for being a good. Would you like to? Yeah, he's like showing fingers. But anyway, this is the other bubble tea place. What's this place called?
Boba cha.
Boba cha and sushi.
Boba cha and sushi sticky. That's sushi sticky.
You like it thick?
But anyway, after this, I have to go to a restaurant to apply for a job or to ask if they still need some part-timers there. I hope they need people. If they don't, then I'll find a different job. If you guys know any strip clubs, let me know.
It's there.
It's there.
It is.
It's okay, guys.
Right there.
It's plenty. Let's just follow some girl.
I don't know. Alex, just push me and go through, yeah? Yes. And I'm telling you that you just did. You said yeah, you already did it. You already did it. Hey, anything to say for yourself? Your behavior lately has been a bit
Listen, it's because I'm a grown man now.
because you're turn 18 and you think you're grown?
People, they like have no
He's a
energy.
little kid.
He's like, I'm a grown man now, mature.
Kid, look.
Yeah, height doesn't.
She's what? She's getting taller. Look at that, Alex. Look at that.
It's all about the maturity. Guys.
That's true. And women stay younger than men. Remember that. I completely forgot to show you guys the boba tea that I got, but I got like matcha milk tea. Something like this. It tastes good. I'm so sorry. I got distracted.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to go.
Alright, not again.
Okay.
Which tea did you get? I forgot to film the thing. We got the tea.
Passion fruit.
She's tried almost everything in that store.
Green tea.
I got green tea.
Arizona.
They should sponsor you at this point. We just got back home. Oh, I just got back home. I don't know why I'm saying we. Because they're here, chilling on the couch, listening to Century C. My bitch is gay. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I am so proud of how the day turned out. Everything that I planned to do, I did it. And I planned to come home by 9 o'clock and edit the video, and we came home like 5 minutes before 9 o'clock. So yeah, thank you guys so much for believing in me and supporting me. And I also hope you guys did something today that you will be proud of, or that you know you reached the goal.
Be active, guys.
Be active.
Not
you know.
like me. Don't be lazy.
But at least she don't be lazy and listen to Soraya. Yes. I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.